Another walking day with Marcos. Hello there, this is your Tita Martha. Welcome to Marcos World. Yan. By the way, Marcos is a nonverbal cerebral palsy warrior. He's a warrior because he has overcome, excuse me, some challenges in his life. Kasi before, he barely can stand up. But now, he's playing and walking, even running at sometimes. Yun. That's why I call him a cerebral palsy warrior. And he is diagnosed to be a severe global developmental delay. As per his doctor, naapektuhan daw yung kanyang speech with the cerebral palsy thing. By the way, disclaimer, I'm not an expert about cerebral palsy or developmental delays. These are all based on my experience as a mother of a person with cerebral palsy and is a global developmental delay. Yun. Marcos had a good sleep yesterday. Yun. Maganda ang tulog niya. And maganda din ang gising. Siyempre, pag maganda ang tulog, maganda ang gising. And this is his morning routine. Based on nakikita nyo naman sa kanyang mga videos, ayan, ganito palagi ang kanyang ginagawa. Bahalang magkadumi-dumi siya. Basta maka-exercise lang siya. Kasi pag hindi siya naka-exercise, hindi siya matutulog. Pagdating ng gabi, hindi siya matutulog. Kagabi nagising siya. Pero nakatulog lang ulit. Ayan, pag hindi kasi pagod yung kanyang kahit naka-sleep well yan siya. Pinapainom kasi siya ng sleep well. As needed lang ba? Kahit ipainumin ko siya ng sleep well, hindi yan matutulog. As in. Yan. Come with me habang nag-exercise si Marcos, ha. Samahan niyo po kami. Kahit 5 minutes lang po. Maraming salamat po. Enjoy the rest of the video.
DJ Eric Name. Dancing to the beat with DJ Eric Name.
Wanay daghang storya, dayali diri, sabak ka diri, sabak ka diri, sabak ka diri, dayali diri, sabak ka diri, sabak ka diri, sabak ka diri, dayali diri, sabak ka diri, sabak ka diri, sabak ka diri, dayali diri, sabak ka diri, sabak ka diri, sabak ka diri, mura ka sudan.
Oh, dirty na ikaw. Bahala na.
Di ka to kasad balance. Habit yun kung mabangga. Ikaw ang most wanted pangga. Sakay na sa akong estrada. Ay nagkabala ka. Tinted ang bintana. Suslami kay ka itsura. Mwa. You want Dolce and Gabbana? At katabana. Wanay naghastorya. Daya
Sa bahay na.
sabak ka dibi. Sabak ka dibi. Sabak ka dibi. Daya diri. Sabak ka dibi. Sabak ka dibi. Sabak ka dibi.
Yeah, thank you for your 5 minutes. This is your Tita Martha. Have a great day. God bless us all. Thank you for coming to Marcos World.